Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make a very quick vegetarian dish which is Gadra with potatoes for lunch because this week we are observing a fast. So here I have Gadra. I always peel my Gadra and freeze them when they come in season. I don't usually boil them, but in most cases people love boiling them. But I put it direct to my freezer when peeled. And this is about 2 cups of Gadra. For my ingredients for the Gadra, I have half a cup of oil. Usually in a veg curry, we use a little extra oil. And then I have 1 small onion sliced, a curry leaf and thyme for braising, and a teaspoon of ginger garlic. For the masalas, I have a tablespoon of mixed masala, a small teaspoon of hurdee, and a teaspoon of salt to go with, but you can add your salt as you're cooking. And then I have 2 small tomatoes. I always like peeling off the peel of the tomatoes. And thereafter I have 4 small potatoes cut into halves. And along the way, maybe I'll be using about 2 cups of water. Now I'm ready to braise my Gadra curry with potatoes. I have my pot on moderate heat and I'm adding in my oil. I'll allow this oil to heat up. My oil is heated up, adding in my onions. I'll allow these onions to come into a golden brown color. My onions are done. I'll add in my ginger and garlic with my curry leaf and thyme. Now I'll add in my masala, I'll cook a little. I put in my Gadra. To the Gadra, I will add in my salt, so the salt can seep into the Gadra beans while cooking. I'll give it a quick stir and allow this to fry for a little while before I add in my water. I have my Gadra frying for about 2 minutes, and now I'm going to add in my 2 cups of water and allow it to come to the boil. And when my Gadra is around halfway done, then I'll be adding in my tomatoes and potatoes. "15 minutes has passed. And now I just want to pick a few of the Gadra and feel. It's like about 3/4 way done. But then I'll add in my tomato because these tomatoes have to cook out. I'll allow the tomato to cook a little and then add in my potatoes. It's been another 10 minutes. And I did add another half a cup of water. and my gadra has got soft. Now I'm adding in my potatoes. These potatoes are very soft cooking. That's the reason why I'm adding it last. I'll give this another 10 minutes, but I'll watch onto my potatoes and then I'll garnish with some lovely fresh dhania. Now another 10 minutes had passed, and as you can see, my potatoes are all bust up and gave it a nice good thick gravy. So I'm ready to garnish and be ready to serve. Now I'm just garnishing my curry with some fresh dhania, and I'm going to put my stove off. I'm ready to dish out. Here you go, a lovely gadra with potatoes, piping hot, and served with lovely hot roti and some nice veg pickle on the side for a lovely vegetarian meal on this cold and rainy weather in Joburg. Thank you all for watching and enjoy.